Hello everyone, this is Group F of 9 Diamond. Today we are going to tell you about some phrasal verbs. Our group members are Parth Maliye, Parth Deshmukh, Palak Rathi and Parth Chaudhary.
Hey, this is Palak Rathi from Ninth Diamond. Today I am going to tell you about phrasal verbs. A verb that is combined with an adverb or a preposition or sometimes both to give a new meaning is called phrasal verb. Example are learn to, learn about, learn from, etc. First, learn about. To hear about the facts or information that you did not know. Example, we only learned about the accident later. Learn from. To acquire knowledge, wisdom, or experience from someone or something. For example, I am trying to learn from my past mistakes. Third, learn to get knowledge or skill in a new subject or activity. Example, I am learning to play the piano. First, you will learn to use the machine. Fourth, learn of. To be told of facts or information that you did not know. Example, we were all shocked to learn of his death. To get knowledge or understanding of facts or ideas or of how to do things. Example, parents learned of the budget cuts in later. Learn of. To be told of facts or information that you did not know. Example, we were all shocked to learn of his death. To get knowledge or understanding of facts or ideas or of how to do things. Example, parents learned of the budget cuts in a letter from school superintendent. Learn that. To start to understand that you must change the way you behave. Example, she will have to learn that she cannot have everything she wants. That was all. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hello everyone, I Parth Deshmukh from 9 Diamond now is going to explain you about phrasal verb catch. First, catch at. Take or grab hold of something. Catch at something. To reach out and try to get hold of something. Example, she caught at her arm as she tried to move away. Second, catch on. To become popular or fashionable. Example, he invented a new game, but it never really caught on. Second, catch on something. To understand something. Example, he is very quick to catch on to things. Third point, finally understand what is going on. Example, everyone else realized what was happening, but it took Henry ages to catch on. Third, catch out. To show that someone has made a mistake or is not telling the truth, especially by asking them a question. Example, he asked her a casual question to see if he could catch her out. Second point, to put someone in an unpleasant or difficult situation that they are not prepared for. Example, they came close to being caught out by the weather during another climb on a mountain. Fourth, catch up. To go faster so that you reach the person or vehicle in front of you. Example, we left before them, but they soon caught us up again. Fifth, catch up in. Became involved, often against one's will. Example, the tourists were caught up in the violence of the revolution. Sixth, catch up on. Do something that should have been done earlier. Example, I am going home to catch up on my sleep. Second point, Reminisce with an old friend after not seeing them for a while. 7th, catch up with. Do something that should have been earlier. Example, I am going home to catch up with my sleep. Second point, meet something after a period of time and find out what they have been doing. Example, I caught up with her at the conference. 8th, catch up with. Meet someone after a period of time and find out what they have been doing. Example, I am going home to catch up with my sleep.
Today I am going to tell you about the phrasal verbs of the word fight. First I will tell you about the phrasal verb which we will discuss in this video. The phrasal verbs of fight are fight back against, fight for, fight off, fight with, fight down, fight out, fight over, fight on, fight it out. First I will tell you about fight back. When you defend yourself or resist an attack or make an effort against an opponent in a competition. For example, come on, fight back your opponent. Here we can see that you are being told to defend yourself. Second application is very common in all the phrasal verbs of fight. You may see it in further phrasal verbs also. It is try to control an emotion and keep it hidden. For example, she was unable to fight back her sobs. Third application is very similar to the first one. To hit or kick someone who is attacking you. Don't let him hit you. Fight back. Now I will talk about fight back against. To try to stop someone who has criticized you or something that has harmed you. For example, the whole world is fighting back against the COVID-19. Here we can see that COVID-19 has harmed all of us and now the whole world is fighting back against it. Fight for. To fight in support of something. Young soldiers are fighting for their country. Here we can see the young soldiers are supporting their country by fighting. This is the cause that's worth fighting for. Second application. To fight or struggle to get, keep or achieve something. For example, the team is fighting for a spot in the playoff. Here we can see that the team is struggling to achieve a spot in the playoff. Second example is the two armies fought all night for the control of the fort. Fight off. To defend oneself against someone or something by fighting or struggling. For example, they fought off the attackers. Here we can see that the people were defending themselves from the attackers. Resist an emotion or sickness. I am fighting off a cold. She was fighting off her smile. In the first example, we can see that the person was fighting against his cold, means his sickness. And in the second example, we can see that the person is fighting off his emotions. Fight with. To fight against something or someone. He fought with his wife about money. The US fought with Germany in World Wars I and II. To fight on the same side as someone or something. For example, the US fought with the Soviet Union in World War II. Here we can see that in World War II, US and Soviet Union were on the same side of the war. Third application is to fight by using something such as weapon. They were fighting with knives. They fought with their fists. Fight down. To try hard not to feel or express an emotion that you are starting to feel. For example, I was fighting down the tears. He fought down his disgust. Here we can see that the person is fighting down his emotions. Fight out. To fight or argue until an argument has been settled. For example, the conflict is still being fought out. They hadn't reached any agreement, so we left them to fight it out. Fight over. To argue who gets access to someone or something. Are the kids still fighting over that one toy? I saw two people fighting over a TV on Black Friday. Here we can see that the people were fighting over a TV. It means they were not standing above the TV, but it means that they were fighting for the TV. Fight over someone or something. To fight a battle that decides who gets someone or something. For example, the children were fighting over who would get the largest piece of the cake. Fight on. To continue fighting. He vowed that he would fight on alone. Fight it out. To argue about which of a group of people will get something good when there is only one or few things of that. We left them to fight it out. This was some information about phrasal verbs. I hope you liked the information. Thank you for your cooperation.